Welcome to this interesting session of ChatGPT today. This is going to be a very fun session. What I want to do is, I want to show you how to manipulate ChatGPT to get the things that you want. This is called prompt engineering. So I want to start with basic, a simple question for ChatGPT to sort of get warmed up. And then I'm going to ask very specific questions in a step-by-step way to get a format that I find very interesting. So the problem statement that I have is, I want to identify certain companies that started with a product X, and today they're selling product Y. For example, Samsung is one of those very interesting cases. They started as a fish trading company when they started off, and today we know what they are doing. They're a giant in electronics. So this is what I want to do. I want to know companies like Samsung that started with some product X and the founding year when they started, and what are they selling today. All right, so let's head over to ChatGPT. I've already logged in, and let me share my screen. There it is. Okay, here we are. Just to give you a quick recap, this is the workspace of ChatGPT. Right here, I can enter my prompts, and on the left-hand side, you will see the chats that I have with ChatGPT start showing up over here. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to ask ChatGPT a simple question. Hey, and I'm going to keep it a bit human. Okay, just for the sake of fun. Hey, are you aware that Samsung started as a trading company? With this question, I just want to set the ball rolling so that the algorithm understands what I exactly am looking for. All right, so let's see what it responds with. It's a very interesting answer. See, it's so conversational, right? It says, yes, that's correct. Samsung Group, one of the largest conglomerates, blah, 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 blah. And it also gives me the founding year over here, right? And the company name, what it was back then. And over the years, it has eventually shifted to into electronics, and we know what it does today. So now I'm going to converse with ChatGPT and tell it to give me. So let's put it this way: give me a list of 10 companies like Samsung, which started off with a product which they do not sell anymore. Let us see what it does now. There you go. Interesting. I didn't know Yamaha started off as a piano and reed organ manufacturer, right? I know Yamaha as the motorcycles company. This is very interesting. LG Corporation was a manufacturer of cosmetic products. Wow. It too is into electronics now. Now see, here's the thing. Now I have 10 companies which started off with some product, and today they are not into it. They're doing something completely different. But this is not the end. I want a table of such companies. So let's see how we can get it. So now what I'm going to tell ChatGPT is, hey, this is great. I'm just keeping it conversational just for the fun. That was great. Oh. Can you tabulate this information in an Excel format? I want 3 columns. Column 1 is the founding year of the company. Column 2 is the name of the company in the founding year. Column 3 is the product that they sold in the founding year, and column 4 is the company's name today, and column 5 is the product or service that they sell today. Now, my guess is ChatGPT is not going to like the word today. It's going to say, hey, I know information only up to 2021, but that's fine. We're just playing around. So let's see what it does. Excellent. Wow. Look at that. So we have some very interesting things, right? So, for example, Nintendo was founded in 1889 with playing cards, and today it does gaming consoles. In 1933, Canon had cameras, and today they are into printers and cameras and everything else. 3M is mining equipment in 1902. Wow, that's one old company, and now it has got a whole bunch of products. Did you know that Post-its are a 3M product? If you knew that, please put it in the chat box that you knew it. I was like, I don't know, 35 years old when I got to know that 3M does Post-its. IBM punch card equipment. This is interesting, right? So this is how you play around with ChatGPT. All right. In the link below on this video, in the description below of this video, I have put up a link, and it has got around 2,000 plus ChatGPT prompts, right? I think this is what you would need to practice with ChatGPT. All right. So what you've got to do is just download that Excel file. I have put it on Gumroad. You download it, copy the prompt, and paste it in this chat box of ChatGPT. Hit enter and see what happens. Right. And what then you're going to do is you're going to play around with those prompts and have a conversation with ChatGPT, because you want to get a feel of how it works. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you got some value out of it. There are a couple of questions that I want to ask. The first one is, what is the one thing that you learned today in this video? And the second question is, what did you like the most about this video? Please comment below and let me know your thoughts. If you like today's content, please do subscribe to my channel and make sure that you share it with your friends who would like to use AI tools for their businesses. This is the way you can show support to my channel. Thank you so much.